Hey guys, you're welcome back to another exciting video on how to grow your hair with the simplest ingredients you can ever find. So in today's video, we're going to talk about how to grow our hair with cloves and coffee. So first of all, I have my cloves here. This is about a teaspoon of cloves. We're not going to use too much for today's recipe. Just a teaspoon will be enough. And I have my pot with me, and I'm just going to go ahead to pour that into my cup. And the next thing is just to add some water in there. I think I added about 1 cup of water to the pot, and straight up you're going to put this on fire and let that brew. Okay, so just put it on low heat and allow it to boil. Just bring it to a boil, and the idea is just to extract all the nutrients from the clove. You can see that the water has already changed its color, and we are not using too much clove today because I love to feel the effect of the second ingredient, and so that the clove doesn't overshadow it or overpower it. But it all depends on personal preference. So now that I'm done boiling that, it just takes a couple minutes to do that. I'm going to go on ahead to strain my clove, and while I do that, I'm going to give us some of the benefits of clove. Cloves water have very powerful antiseptic properties that are useful in eliminating dandruff. The anti-inflammatory properties of clove have a soothing effect on itchy and dry scalp. Clove water has antioxidants that moisturize the scalp and prevents dead hair follicles from clogging pores. Okay, so as you can see, I'm already done filtering the clove water, and I'm just going to introduce my next ingredient, which is coffee. I have with me Nescafe Gold Blend, but you can use whatever brand of coffee you have. Anyone at all is okay. So what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to get about a tablespoon and a little bit on top and add it into our cloves, and the water is a bit warm, so make sure that your water is a bit warm while you're adding this. And while we do that, let's talk about the benefits of coffee for your hair. Coffee has a whole lot of benefits to your hair, and I want you to make sure that you include coffee into your hair care regimen, okay? Because it's going to do your hair a whole lot of good. So coffee boosts hair growth, it enhances hair texture, it exfoliates the scalp, it reduces hair loss, and the caffeine found in coffee works wonders for the hair. Okay, so using coffee for hair helps stimulate your hair follicles and speeds up hair growth. Then caffeine also improves blood circulation to your scalp, and that just helps your hair grow much longer and faster. Coffee darkens hair texture, it improves blood circulation, and it aids natural dyeing of hair. So for those of higher age who want to, tint their gray hair, then the dark colors in the drinking coffee beans leave a stained tint that picks up your old hair. So this is a very good natural remedy for you to use as a hair dye instead of buying products from the market. Just try this out and you'd see very, very good results. And coffee also stimulates hair growth, it detoxifies your scalp, it promotes softer hair, and it restores hair growth. So you're just going to take your time to mix this properly so that the coffee gets dissolved completely into the mixture, and you're just going to go ahead to transfer this into a spray bottle and spray it all over your hair. So this is our coffee and cloves mixture. Guys, this remedy right here is super powerful and potent. So right now I'm just going to insert a clip of me applying this on my hair and how I do that to maximize results. So here is my clove and coffee mixture, and this is my hair. I just made some rough 4 cornrows, and I'm just going to go on ahead to spray that all over my hair. So just make sure that you spray it evenly, and as you spray, you just massage your hands so that everything sinks in well. And you can use this spray as a pre-poo or as a leave-in treatment. This works both ways. You can either use this just before you wash your hair, and you can use it after you've washed your hair and your hair is clean, and just leave it on your hair. But if you're going to use it as a pre-poo, then make sure that you let this sit on your hair for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour. So just make sure to apply a generous amount, okay? And I'm just showing you guys my ends because I want you guys to always prioritize spraying all these masks on your ends, because those are the oldest hair you have on your hair, so they also need some love and care because they are prone to breakage, okay? So always make sure you include your ends in your hair regimen. So now I'm done, so I'm just going to use my hand to massage my hair thoroughly. So don't always miss this step. It just helps improve blood circulation to your scalp, okay? So now that I'm done, I just went on ahead to wear a shower cap, and I'm wearing a hair bonnet on this because I am going to have it on my hair overnight, okay? I'm going to go to bed with this, so I have to secure my hair properly so as not to stain the bed and have any drippings all over the place. And I'm not going to stop there. I'm going to use this wig cap mesh just to secure the hair bonnet so it doesn't come off, since it is silky. And that is it. I'm just going to have this on and go to bed. So like I said, leave it on your hair for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour and you are good to go. But if you can stay with it overnight like I'm doing, then feel free to do so. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.